APBL Championship na ako, pero kulang pa rin. Sana, all Filipino naman.
Many have doubted, but now we need to prove it wrong.
Presenting our officials for this match. First referee, Ms. Josie Del Rosario, FIVB International Referee. Second referee, Mr. Herbert Matimata.